Welcome to Colorful Cute Kids Channel.
Hello everyone and welcome to the Colorful Cute Kids channel. Today we are going to drawing and coloring a rainbow cocktail. Let's start drawing. First I draw a glass. Then I draw a straw. Above, I continue to draw a decorative umbrella. Then I draw a slice of orange to decorate the cocktail. Now, let's start coloring. First, I use red to paint this umbrella. I also color this part red. Orange. I use colors of the rainbow to paint this cocktail. Then I use yellow to paint a slice of orange. For a straw, I use orange to paint it. Yellow. Green. Sky blue. Finally, I use light purple to paint a glass. Great job! If you like this video, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video. Goodbye!